just had this come in the post. This is what should be my Electro Harmonics Big Muff Nano. So I'm going to get this out of here, just give me a minute. Yes. Over there. Nano Big Muff. So, this is really hard to bought this from Anderton's. Ooh, nice. Yes. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this plugged into the pedal board and we'll have a listen. So let's check it out. Just about to let her rip and then the wife rolls in with the Mackies, so... Okay, so I've just remembered that my pedal board's upstairs and I can't be bothered. So I'm just going to run the pedal through my orange cable. Just put some new strings on my Pacifica. Pacifica's a great guitar, man. This is £200 worth of pure win. So let's have a try. Clean tone.